Okay, so here we've retrofitted an older Phantom retractable screen door with a brand new mesh. Instead of replacing the whole door, it's all scratched up, but it works fine. And we're in the process of installing a cat guard. We put in a channel on both sides. We're going to install one right in here, and we're going to install this cat guard right in like that, so that the door will be able to operate. This is 6 inches high. A person can step over it. If somebody accidentally hits it, it is flexible. It is a flexible piece of plastic material, so it will knock itself out, keep somebody from getting injured, and it does keep cats and rodents from getting through under the screen mesh, because all screen meshes are loose at the bottom. So this solves that. If the person, the homeowner, doesn't want it in here, they will be able to lift it out and put it off to the side. So we have the other channel mounted in here. We bevel it at a 45-degree angle just so there's no sharp edges there. We have one on each side. The cat guard will go in just like this. It has a smaller channel to protect the edges of there. That slides in just like that on the one side, then on the other side, and it just gets tapped in. It does have flex, so that's it right there. So the door can operate just like that. Of course, that was interesting. So this is an older Phantom door, which was installed with two old style black magnets. They were never very strong. Now we use what we call super magnets, so it doesn't hold very well. But assuming this would hold in properly, if an animal, a rat, a mouse, a cat tries to get under here, they hit up with this, and it would be very difficult to go up 6 inches over this to get through the screen mesh. So that is our cat guard. This is how it's going to work. Just slides like that, back and forth. Step over it. You can close the screen door like that. But we have somebody thinking about it right now. Well, well, well. It's not going to work, is it? So that works. So we can take this off. We can slide the cat guard up, out of the way, put it away if we want to. Use the door just as before. Put the cat guard away and close our door. Out the cat guard, and here we pop it back in. Give ourselves a so I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not that difficult at all. And because it has flex, if somebody hits it with their foot, it's going to kick out that way, and it will eventually come out of that channel. And this will bend, and no one will get hurt.